Hey guys, welcome to another video. My name is David Pinto. They also call me Tips with Dave. And in today's video, we are going to look at my affiliate marketing results for the month of May 2023. Guys, I'm excited to share with you this video specifically because I am documenting my entire journey with affiliate marketing as I got started in March this year, just to share with you a new complete strategy that I'm using, how I'm going to go about doing it and scale up to, $1,000, $2,000 and more every single month by following a simple strategy. Now, I do have a day job. I want to make sure that you guys understand this. I do have a 9 to 5, and these are my monthly results. So I'm going to be doing every single month a review on the previous month, whether it's good, whether it's bad, what has changed, everything transparently shared with you guys. And if you want to follow along, then make sure to hit that subscribe button below and the bell notification. Give me a like on this video and comment below that you're following along so that I can give you guys the best results. If you have any questions at any point of time, let me know in the comments so that I answer them. And let's hop onto my screen and share with you exactly how things are going with my affiliate marketing journey. Awesome, folks. Before I go ahead and share with you more on Warrior Plus and just basically the affiliate marketing journey that I'm on, what's my results for Warrior Plus this last month, I do want to mention that my group is in the description of this video. So in case you do want to join my group, it's a place where I personally support my team the best. I have a guide section which has complete affiliate marketing 101. You can follow along this entire journey if you really want to get started as a new person. From start, you can follow along within this group. I go through the basics. I tell you exactly how to set up a funnel, what exactly is the traffic plan, the daily method of operations, all the affiliate marketing products that I own, and you can choose on how you go about doing it. But more than anything else, as you guys can see right here, I am very actively sharing with you guys results more and more on this strategy that I'm doing. So if you have any questions at any point of time, this is the place where you get the most support. Link is in the description. You do need to answer questions, so there will be a few questions. These are the questions that you will see right here. Let me just show you. If you want to join, you have to tell me from where you're coming from, what skill set you want to learn, and whether you're serious about implementing the skill sets or not. Because if you're not, I'm going to chuck you out and you're not going to stay in the group. It's just how it is. That's how I'm doing it. But yeah, answer those questions and you'll be able to get access to the group. That being said, let's go ahead and share with you my Warrior Plus results. So before I go ahead and do anything, I want to go to YouTube so that you actually see something. I know you guys are watching this on YouTube, so let's just go ahead and go to my channel quickly. And I'm doing this on the spot, but that's absolutely fine. And I want to go to videos. You can see, by the way, if you go to playlist, you can see all the playlists that I have right here. But system.io, My Legion Secrets, email marketing, really up to you which ones are the best ones for you. I should actually change that page maybe a little bit. But anyway, let's scroll back and look at this, but in 3 weeks ago, I basically shared how to make affiliate marketing a side hustle $200 strategy method, right? The reason why I shared this is because this was the first 3 weeks ago that I made this. I posted this video as the result, and you can see right here, it should be the beginning of, the 5th of May, which was basically my results for April, right? So that was a $200 method, which is basically April. That's how April monthly report. So let's go back and shoot this, but this was April monthly report. And I'm documented even March monthly report. So you have March, you have the entire month of April, and now we're going on to May. So all of this is in the description. So if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button, because I think it'll be very important for you guys to check it out if you are interested. So let's go ahead and share with you my entire strategy. Now, first and foremost, guys, as I mentioned, I got started with affiliate marketing specifically in March just to document everything, and I'm following a phased approach. What is a phased approach? As I said before, I have a 9 to 5 job. Therefore, I have work. Don't have time to spend online doing with affiliate marketing. And this is what I do only on the side as a side hustle in my free time. But I do not spend hours and hours of my time because I am, really into sports. So I'm running quite a lot. I'm doing things at home and with my family. I'm living my life to the best of my ability. But at the same time, I'm continuing to do the side hustle. Does take some sacrifice, but at the same time, if you have a clear plan and strategy, it becomes much easier. And as I said, I'm documenting that journey here on YouTube. So there are 2 phases that I talk about affiliate marketing. One is the affiliate marketing skill sets that you need to learn, which is basically email marketing and advertising. These are the 2 things that you need to know. and in simple words. And then from there, you move on to phase two, which is you implement your own strategies, you implement your own products and services, and then you use those skill sets that you've learned to then promote this. So it's in the promotion and the marketing, and then in the creation, the course building, everything else that's there. But you can have your own product or service, or even sell those services to other people. That's absolutely fine. In phase one, this is the entire phase one, okay? And this is all that I'm going to be following. In fact, in this month of June, I'm going to be starting a series on how do you actually get to $1,000 per month, and you will be able to see step by step what I'm doing. First and foremost, the entire overview, and then going through the whole process of what I'm doing on a daily basis, what it takes, and just how to get there. So we're going through this journey of getting to $1,000 per month together, and then you can scale it up to 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, wherever you want to go, you can go from there. The main journey is getting started and actually what you're doing. So as I've broken down it into two steps, the reason why I broke it down to two steps is that I have always believed that it's because I have a day job, I need to make sure that I'm only looking at paid traffic, because I don't have the time. If I had the free time and I wanted to sacrifice a lot of my time, then I would use free methods. But I do not primarily use free methods. Don't get me wrong. I do have free methods in place. I do make videos on TikTok and Instagram and everything, but it's not like my primary source. It would take me, if I got started with that, it would take me 6 months to just build that and then start to make money. This way, I'm starting from the get-go, and I'm not saying that you're guaranteed success, but what you are seeing is a formula that will get you there. And I'm using paid traffic as a skill. I got into My Legion Secrets, which is the traffic source that I used. That is also linked in the description in case you want it. I send that to an offer in order for me to get sales. And then I use those sales to leverage and buy more traffic. And that brings to a landing page, which basically collects an email, which is my asset. And then I work that email through the whole process, through an email series, and also broadcasting the email and so on and so forth. That's my focus on optimizing, and we'll get into that on future videos. But this is the entire process that I follow. If you're on step one, stay on step one. Don't jump from step one to step two if you're not ready. I personally stayed on step one for almost 2.5 months before I went to step two. That time could be longer for you, shorter for you. It really depends. But stay on step one and then go to step two. So we're doing this really, really carefully, okay? Step two is brilliant. I'm right now at step two. So let's go ahead to Warrior Plus. I want to show you guys my results. And we'll go to the dashboard just so you guys can see. But in the last month, this month of May, I'm shooting this on the 31st. It's the last day of the month, guys. It's $284 just with this method. And I'm also going to share with you transactions, actually sales reports, so you can see month by month how it was working. So I started in March. Even if you want, I'll go to the beginning of this year so you actually can see the difference, right? So January, nothing. February, nothing. March, April, and May, the trajectory is all up. Why is the trajectory going up? Is because we are on the right path of what I'm talking about. So the first month was me testing this, which has got me $100 in that month. The second month, I started to do it more frequently, consistently, get the sales more often, and that made $219 in the last month. And this is pure net profit, guys. Okay, this is pure net profit. So $200 per month method. I think that anybody can do it. If you really want to get started with just $200 a month, you can do this at $200 a month. If you want to reach it to more, it's possible as well. And this last month of May is $284 in net profit, or in commissions, guys. 284. So almost we're getting closer to that $300 mark and even further, right? So this is quite nice to see. I love seeing net profit like this. Yeah, you can see the total amount is $600 made. Now, if I go and show you guys a little bit more details about it, I wanted to just go through the statistics and show you a little bit more, maybe, and see how the statistics went for the entire month. So let's look at the entire month of May. So we go from the 1st of May to the 31st of May. And these, you can see now the entire results. So one, I got the most amount of results from affiliate marketing on Crack, and I've got about 1% conversion from affiliate marketing on Crack. Now I'm going to click here so that you actually see the statistics a little bit more. But in this month, only on this product, which was the top performing product, right? It earned me $203 in commissions totally, and I've got 284. For the rest have come from other things, but this is purely following, the strategy. Where have these sales come from? Most of them have come from My Legion Secrets, which is the traffic source that I use, right? 3 have come from a system, which is the sales funnel, which is people have come to this page right here and clicked on this link button here and bought the product. So I've got 3 sales from there. And the rest are just hops as of now. The images got some hops. So people have come to this page and clicked on the images. They've clicked here on these images. And let's go ahead and see the rest. And I've got 3 which are unknown. Okay, that's fine. But these are the main places that made the sales. So the sales funnel is converting itself. We go back here. You can see that the sales funnel, this bridge page, is converting because it's got 3 sales. And 10 have come from My Legion Secret. So that's great to know. And let's just go again. Once again, let's see if we can get all the entire offers. So stats. And we will go back here and put it as okay. So that is just to show you guys a little bit more of my results of what is the top product. So affiliate marketing crack is getting the most. And I do have traffic, which is, this traffic source, by the way, guys, if you want to see all the low ticket traffic sources that I have, it is in the description of this video. So it costs $5, less than $5, and I get 100 to 150 clicks every single week. I have a video on that on this channel. So all you need to do is just literally go to this channel right here. And this is the video where I get real traffic or real buyers from this video. You can check it out. I posted a few days ago, but I got some sales there because I'm also an affiliate there. So you can see that I've got a 5% conversion. Basically 147 people looked at the page and 7 sales just there. Another launch of and 3 sales, that's fine. And that's about it. So that was the total amount of sales that I made, which is around 23 sales this month, which resulted in that much. Now I'm going to go also to transactions because I really want you guys to see this. I think it's very important. And let's look at just 1st of May to 31st of May, and we go to go. And you can see right here, there have been many conversions and so on and so forth, but totally in May, how much sales have I made and how much commissions have I made? I'm breaking this down even further so that you guys understand it. So people have purchased products worth of $463 from my link, from my affiliate marketing link in Warrior Plus for the last month. 463 guys, 463. Out of those 463 sales that I made, because the amount is in sales price, I made about $284 in commissions. So that is quite impressive to see that that much was in commissions, but the sales price is important. The reason why I say that the sales price is important is specifically because you know that I'm reaching the amount to make. How many sales do I need to make to have X amount of commissions? You need to know what your target is, your numbers are, and so on and so forth, where the goal is. But as you can see, most has been through affiliate marketing on crack. There are a few other ones right here. Click engine, and this is all for the last month. Now I'm also getting paid, and it's very important to be getting paid quite frequently and getting these sales, because as I get more sales, my ranking also in Warrior Plus gets better and the commissions become much more instant. Right now I need to wait about 2 weeks before I get my payments, but that will become less and less as I get more sales. So as a new person, this strategy first and foremost is building your authority to get whatever commissions you want, like whatever approvals you want from members on or vendors rather on Warrior Plus itself. This method, in my opinion, is at least a $200 to $300 per month method that you need to follow, which is just step 1. Additionally to step 1, step 2 can definitely get you to further. I'm going to show you now. I'm going to go to my wallet so you can see that. My wallet, sorry. And Warrior Plus wallet. And as you can see in my Warrior Plus wallet, I wanted to show you guys here very openly. You'll see that I just have $31.48. And I have pending $175.42. Now, if I go to summary, what you will see right here is that I've crossed the first of all, I've crossed the $1,000 in earnings on Warrior Plus. So cool to me for that. And I want to show you this. This is the most important. I have $375 in purchases. So if I click on these purchases, what am I purchasing? You will see that in May, I bought 100 clicks. So these are solo ads, by the way, guys. I bought 100 clicks to my landing page, to this page right here, which collects an email address, right? Which collects an email address and then goes to the thank you page, which I do a training. People can decide whether they want to get the offer or not. So that's one thing. Okay, just to show you. I bought 3 times already in the month of May, 3 times traffic, so 300 clicks to my offer. So this way, I'm literally following the same thing. I'm earning commissions in Warrior Plus, and I'm using that and I'm putting it into solo ads for now. And I'm also using other ad sources, but for now, just to give you guys an idea, solo ads 3 times this month, and I'm sending it to a landing page which collects the email address and goes through this whole process. So what is this doing for me? I'm building my asset as an affiliate marketer. But more than anything else, this is a simple structure and formula that you can follow. Why I'm using My Legion Secrets to give you guys this example is because My Legion Secrets, in my opinion, is a good way to enter. And in fact, I'll do another video on that, but it doesn't really matter about the traffic source. As long as you have a free or paid traffic source in the beginning and you have a funnel setup, this is what you need to leverage the income that you're making in order to increase it until you reach a point where you can comfortably take out your profits and keep, generating more sales and income. It has to become a science. That's the whole point of me doing these videos. That's the whole point of me sharing and documenting them, is because I believe that it can be a science, and I believe that you can do it, as well as share my journey along the way. So I'm consistently buying traffic. This is not money that is coming out from my pocket, guys. I'm spending $30 per month only for my traffic from one source, and then I have $5 with the other source. Now, so that's $35 totally in the month, and I made $284. That's $200 more in profit just this first month in May that you can see. What I'm going to do, guys, is I will link 3 things in the description of this video. I want to be very frank with you guys so that you understand it. First and foremost, you will see the first link going to this page right here, which is the product that I own, which just converts like crazy, is not hypey. It's not promising you the world, guys. This is solid information where we want you guys to make success. It doesn't matter whether you become, the seller of the product, an affiliate of the product, whatever. It really doesn't matter. They're teaching you the right skill sets for you to do this with any product or service that you can. Getting affiliate marketing on crack, in my opinion, is one of the foundations. So you can put your email address here. I'll send you an email. I use a tool called system.io to create this whole process. You can get that too. I share it on, once you're on my email list, I share all these things and strategies with you. So get on my email list. That's the first thing. The second thing is the second link in the description will be specifically to my tool that I use, so system.io. It's a completely free tool if you want to get that. The third will be to my traffic sources, and the fourth will be to this Facebook group. So you'll have 4 links in the description. It's up to you if you want to get all of them. It's up to you if you want to click on each one. Really just do what's best for you. Start this journey. I hope to support you in the best manner. But as you can see right now, I'm currently at least generating $200 per month with affiliate marketing and this strategy. And it's not exaggerated numbers, guys. These are realistic numbers that I spend 5 minutes a day to send out an email. And this is what happens. The moment I have money, I purchase more traffic, I get more sales, I collect more email addresses. It's everything automated, and I spend 5 minutes a day to do this. I can't help but share it with you guys. I can't help but talk to you guys about it. So I hope that it's best for you. And if you do have any questions, just leave them in the comments below. I'm going to see you guys on the next one. Have a great day and keep paving the way for your dreams to come true.